common Asian, and this essay is very important for home examination and for board examination also, for first year and for intermediate. I have explained this essay in Hindi language, and now I am going to explain you in English. Pay attention to me and listen carefully. After listening, you have to write down this essay in your pair copy, and you have to learn it very carefully. This is the essay, Your Favorite Leader, or it may be also titled The Great Indian Leader, or it may be We Asked Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister. So I want to tell you that Narendra Modi was born on 17th September 1950 at Vadnagar in Mehsana district in Gujarat. His father's name was Gurchand, mother's name was Meerabet. His father was a grocer, and the condition of his family was very poor. Economical condition was not satisfactory. They are five or six brothers, and one brother is living in the orphanage or in the ashram, Vriddhashram, and second is the laborer in petrol pump, and one brother, the youngest brother, is in government service, and his mother, Modi's mother, Meerabet, is living with her youngest son at Vadnagar. So he is a good leader. At this time, he is the Prime Minister of India, and he is very active Prime Minister. In 1971, he got training of politics in Nagpur camp. He became the propagandist, means he became the pracharak of RSS, and he started to also sit at the tea stall of his father at railway station, and he helped his father in this activity, in this business, and when emergency was imposed in India by Mrs. Indira Gandhi, that Prime Minister of India, it was the duration of the emergency was from 1975 to 1977. In this period, he was sent to jail. After being released, when he was released, many leaders, the great leaders who were sent to jail, were imprisoned as Atal Bihari Vajpayee, George Fernandez, Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi, Lalu Prasad Yadav, Mulayam Singh. These were the leaders who were sent, who were imprisoned for 2 years, and when emergency was ended, then Jayaprakash Narayan, who also had been in jail for 2 years in the period of emergency from 1975 to 1977, Jayaprakash Narayan organized the opposite leaders and made Janata Dal. In this period, Narendra Modi cooperated Jayaprakash Narayan very much, and in 2001, he was appointed Chief Minister of Gujarat, and when elections were held in 2002, he was again made the Chief Minister of Gujarat. Third time, when elections were held in 2007, he was again third time made the Chief Minister of Gujarat, and the fourth time when the election were held in 2012, the fourth time was made the Chief Minister. But in the meantime, because he could not complete his duration, his term of 5 years, in the meantime, in the meantime, 2014, the parliament election arrived, and Narendra Modi was elected as the Prime Minister of India. So he contested the election in 2014, and in his leadership, the majority of the party which won the parliament election was Bharatiya Janata Party. He was elected the leader of Bharatiya Janata Party and later he became the Prime Minister of India. And he was sworn as a Prime Minister of India on 20 May 2014. So he became first time the Prime Minister on 20 May 2014. When election in 2019 held, he contested election and BJP contested elections under the leadership of Narendra Modi. Again the party got the great majority or most powerful party became Bharatiya Janata Party or BJP. Again he was appointed or elected the Prime Minister of India. Since 2014, he is working very actively for the welfare of the poor people, for the progress of India, and he is great patriot, very active Prime Minister who has not enjoyed any holiday even one day. Other Prime Ministers in holiday, on leave, went to the foreign for visiting many countries or Dehradun, Mansoori, but he is the first Prime Minister who has never enjoyed any holiday during his PM time. He is very active under his leadership. The external affairs are strong of India and India is progressing day by day by leaps and bounds. We wish for his long life. Thank you very much. You have to write down the left part of essay in the fair copy and you have also to learn it because this essay is very important for the home examination and for the board examination. Thank you very much.